So what I have here today is an industrial endoscope camera. So basically it's a camera that has a long camera lens to it that you can send down a pipe or around like a corner or inside of an engine block or something like that, which is basically what I have it for. Full color HD screen, powerful PLB battery, IP67 waterproof adjustable LED lights, FHD image output. Portable, durable, and versatile. Let's just open this thing up and see what we get with it. Well, you get a little set of instructions. There it is right there. Here's the unit itself. It kind of looks like a little small tablet. Take that off. Does it turn on? We might have to charge it. I don't know. Oh, look at that. It's already fully charged right out of the box. Has a little stand right there. Take that out. Now here's the camera. It looks like you get a little hook. So if you need to hook onto something, this is actually kind of handy. I've used one of these in the past. And if you ever need to hook onto something, say you drop something down in there, see that little hook and it's got a magnet. We'll put that aside right now. This is the USB-C cable for charging, and open this up. So right there's where you're going to charge it. It comes with a memory card. See what the memory card is. It has a 32 gig memory card. You know what, right now, let's just go ahead and let's take this thing out and put it to use and see how it works. So there's that. You're going to take the USB portion right here. You must go right down in there like that. Wow, as soon as I plug it in, it came on. That was quick. Y'all see that? It's made where I can bend it and move it around and kind of like articulate it the way I want it. Let me take it out here to my car, my van, and look down in the engine because that's where I'm going to be using it for the most. Let me show you how this thing works. So let's look at all the settings on here. We've got 1080p, screen brightness. Turn that up all the way. We have date tag, time setting, and format on here. And it looks like memory, where you can see we have 29 gigs of memory on there. And there's the version. So the light is on. Y'all see that? There's a camera on the side and a camera in the front. So now I have two different cameras going at once right here. So that is neat. Let's say I want to get down in there and there's a piece in there with a part number on it. Number on that, check out how you can see that little number. And then if I want to, I can take a picture and to start recording, just hit the camera button here, and when you hold it down for a few seconds, a little red dot, red numbers come up right there. It is officially recording. I'm down under my bumpers where I'm at. Now see, I can't see this from where I'm at. So see how I can see down and check that hose to make sure that hose isn't leaking if I have a leak and I can't tell where it's coming from. So yeah, I don't see any issues with this thing at all. I think this would be a great option for anyone that's doing any like plumbing work, or they're doing a work on an engine or something like this where they need to kind of get down inside somewhere, and seeing these little hard to reach areas where you can't really see without taking off all these parts. Before I take all this off, this thing could save me a ton of time as far as like getting down there, and a very costly repair bill if I could just see down in there and see where my problem is, and that way I could just fix it myself. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Epic Mate Endoscope. See you on the next video.